Hi, I'm Bailey.
And I'm Offrey.
And we're the Meditating Donkeys dancers. Just a shout out to the Meditating Donkeys. They're a band and they have
A singer.
A drummer who will be doing some of our videos.
A pianist.
And a guitarist. So we're going to be giving you guys tips. We're going to be doing dance routines that you can follow, and we'll give you steps to do it and stuff. And we're going to be doing tutorials. Yeah. Today we're going to be showing you how to be doing simple moves that can be really useful in dance routines. Okay, let's get started.
So some of the moves that we're going to be doing, some of them have names that we know and some won't. So yeah, let's get to it.
So the first move we are going to show you, we don't think it has a name, but that doesn't really matter. So you go hands out here, foot in front and hands behind, and back to the middle, hands in front, turn hands back and heel like this, foot back with the hands, and keep going. So hands and foot back, hands and foot back. Now that's one of the probably easiest moves, but it can be quite effective.
Oh, and this side you do it faster.
So yeah, let's go. And I forgot to tell you in the part where I showed you how to do it, that you can do a little bit of a jump, but
If you
doesn't
don't want
really
to,
make
you
a
don't
difference.
have to.
Yeah, it just makes it look a bit cooler.
Yeah, so for this move we don't really have a name for it, and this is how you do it. So you kick, don't kick too far, just kick a little, then put your leg there, so to the side. And
don't get your foot
back down.
And you don't need to get your foot over your other, because it it can be a bit harder, and if you get it over too much it doesn't really look cool. So you do a bit so your foot's stuck there, sort of. So it's like that, there. And you can do it both sides. And you can also do kick, step, and instead of going there, you do kick, step, step. And you can also do step, step, kick, step, step, kick, step, step, and kick, step, step. So yeah, it's probably the most complicated move so far. It might take you a bit of a while to get the hang. This move is similar to the last one, so it also doesn't have a name, at least not that I know of. So it looks like this. So you also do the kick, step, step, and you have a hop though. So it's kick, step, step, kick and hop, step, step, kick and hop, step, step, kick and hop, step, step. And then with the arms you go up, down, up. And it will probably look cooler, you shouldn't have your hands like that, but you should either have them in fists or open to make it look cooler. So you add the arms, so kick, or arms, step, step, kick, step, step. So if you do it fast.
So this move is called six step. This is how you do it. You on the ground, go like this, foot like that. So your opposite foot to the other side, other foot under your other leg. Then this foot goes here. This foot, you do that, and under, and then this foot goes back there, and this foot goes there. So you can do it both ways, this way and this way. Just saying, this might take a while to learn. So this move is called the six step because it has 6 steps in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you finish the same way as you start. And
these moves will be quite effective in pretty much any dance you do. Some of them might take a while to get the hang of, but others you'll get the hang of quite quickly. You can rewatch this video as many times as you like. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Yeah.
And see you guys soon for more videos. See ya.